Octavius Tower. Got a ThyssenKrupp elevator here. One of them left me. Where's the panel? Oh boy. This is not 60, not that high. 157 concourse, we have ThyssenKrupp elevator. You see here, it's nice and window here. Go to 69. Okay. Going up, come on in.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
What for you wait?
No, thank you.
This is not 69 stories high.
I know, that's what I was thinking. It starts at 50, I was like, this is not 60.
This is not a 69 floor hotel. I mean, you know that. It's kind of weird. Fixtures. Have a good day.
You too, I'm good.
That is not 69.
Floor. Going up.
When you know this is not 670 stories high. There's your panel here. There's one indicator here, that's all. Cedar Palace. I like the screen. I'm gonna ring the bell.
7th floor.
Ring the bell. Come on in. Down the casino. Cabio. UDC here, mirror. Pretty nice elevator too. But you know this is not 69 stories high. They just label it on purpose. Come on, Vegas, you know better than the foreign numbers. Go down one more.
Casino.
Jesus. Really? It's not that high. Why would they label it 50 to 69 even though that's not 70 stories high? Capacity 3,500 pounds. Try this.
67th floor.
There's a ThyssenKrupp trick. We got ThyssenKrupp on these banks. Here we are on concourse. I'm getting out of here.